What is happening, my people out there? Raul TV, Team R4UL, your favorite YouTube mechanic. We are back again, and what I've got here is I've got a Hyundai or Hyundai. We're gonna call it Hyundai, okay? Because I've been calling it Hyundai all my life, okay? But it's called Hyundai all of a sudden, okay? We've got a Hyundai I30 on an 18 plate, 2018, and we're gonna go ahead and replace the rear brake pads. Dead easy job. You can do it outside your house. Basic tools. You just might need the software. That's all. The diagnostic software to disengage the handbrake, because it's an electronic handbrake. If it's a manual handbrake, you can do it outside your house. No problem whatsoever. Anyway, yeah, let's do it. Let's go. Okay, guys. First things first. Just undo the brake fluid cap. You don't need to, right? But because, I mean, yeah, you don't need to. But it's a good practice, you know, because when you push the piston back, you know, the pressure has to go somewhere, and it's never happened to me in my life. I've never burst a pipe or anything, but yeah, just in case, okay, just take the cap off. That way the fluid will come out this way, and there's going to be no pressure in the ABS system, in the brake pipes, things like that. So yeah, take the brake fluid cap off and we'll go from there. Okay guys, so I'm using the top-down software, as you can see here. So I mean, obviously putting all the details and everything and get to this stage, you have to do these one side at a time, or you can do both sides at a time. It's entirely up to you guys, right? So as you can see here, it says maintenance mode. This is the one with the electric motor on the caliper, so caliper type only. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and hit that. It says release, right? Maintenance mode, apply, sorry, not apply, we need to go, there we go. Maintenance mode, release the caliper, so caliper type, hit that, and then start. Obviously you'll hear it in the background, and also on there it will say rear brake pad in service mode. If you want best practices, do one side at a time, then you're okay. I'm going to do both sides at a time, actually, both sides, you know, in one go. So wait till that stops. So that's stopped, right? So we're going to press stop here and then press back. Right, and now we'll go to the left hand. As you can see the release for the left hand. Okay, caliper type only. Press that, hit that, and then start. Wait till it gets to it'll say it's reached fitting mode. Okay, so that's gone all the way back. Right, I can hear it stopped and everything. So what we do is we stop it here, and then we press back, and that's it. Now we can go ahead and replace the brake pads. Okay, guys. So after that, after you've done the diagnostic and everything, and reset the motor and everything, release the motor and everything, what you have to do is we have to send it up, take the wheel off. I'm not going to show you guys how to take the wheel off, you know, mechanics 101, right? We're going to go ahead and get a 14mm socket or spanner, ratchet, whatever you've got. Take that one off, take this one off here. Okay, take them 2 bolts off. That's one. That's the other one. And yeah, just get a little pry bar or a flat screwdriver or whatever you've got, and just take the brake caliper off. Let's go. Okay, just get a flat screwdriver. I'm just using a flat screwdriver. And just take it off, and just be careful. There's a wiring plug there. If you want, you can go ahead and take the wiring plug off, but no need. Just there we go. Just put it to a side like that. We'll take these little clips off. Just flick them off with a screwdriver. Okay, and let's take the pads off. Oh, look at the state of these pads. Strictly speaking, if you're going to do the pads, I would suggest you do the rotors as well, the brake discs. But obviously, this guy doesn't want it doing. Also, check my video out on how to replace the brake disc. I'm pretty sure I've done a video on the Hyundai. Pretty much same principle on all the cars. You take the caliper bracket off, take the brake pads off, caliper off, and then, you know, take the disc off. So yeah, check my video out. Give me a like, share, thumbs up on everything. You know the drill. You know the sketch. Right, I'm going to go ahead, take these clips off, take the pad off. Let's go. Okay guys, sit rep. Right, the pad is on that side. I'll show you guys how to put the pad on this side, because to get the camera in there and show you guys is a bit of a headache, you know. So it's exactly the same principle, the outer pad, inner pad, exactly the same. What we're going to do now is we're going to go ahead and push that is, not wind it in, push the piston back in, because we've disengaged it, we can push it back in. If you don't disengage it, you'll have to wind it back in. Okay, so I'm going to use the brake wind back tool to push it back in. I know it looks like I'm winding the brake pad tool, but actually I'm pushing it back in. I'm using the flat edge of the brake wind back tool to push the caliper piston back in. Okay, do not go ahead and wind it back in. You know, you can wind it back in, but then that means you'll have to adjust it, readjust it and everything. This way you don't need to adjust it or anything, just push it in and that's it. All done and dusted. There we go, all the way in. Caliper has been pushed back in all the way in. What we're going to do now is I'll show you guys how to put the brake pad on. Dead easy. Right, I've shown you guys before on other videos, so check them videos out as well. Hook your boy up, you know, come on Raoul TV, we need to take the world by storm. What's man doing here? Alright, so we put the pad in this way, like this, in an angle, as you can see here. Can you see that? In an angle, right? And then all you do is just push it there. There we go. And we're on. So in an angle and then push over. Happy days. Make sure it's nice and free. You don't want it to be too free that it's rattling, and you don't want it to be sticking. Okay, so you need a balance basically in between. No free play, but enough for movement. Right. Okay, we're gonna get them clips back on. Get some ceramic brake grease, not copper grease. Ceramic brake grease. I'll show you which one. This one here. Ceramic brake grease. Get some of that on it. It'll stop it from squeaking. And that's it. Let's get the caliper back on. Tighten them bolts up. Make sure these sliders are nice and free as well. Okay. The last thing you want is you don't want to put brake pads on and and the sliders are seized up, because then you're going to have uneven brake. The brake, you're going to have a long brake. So yeah, let's do that. Let's get the ceramic brake grease on. Let's finish it off. Let's go. One. Okay guys, brakes are all done, wheel is on, brake pads on, brake calipers on, the bolts, everything is on. We're going to go inside the car now, and the first thing you do is, before you do anything, okay, pump the brakes. Okay, pump the brakes. Make sure it's nice and hard and everything. There we go. Brakes have been pumped up. Now what we need to do is we need to go to here. And we need to apply the motors again, right? So let's do that. So as you can see here, it says motor release right hand, dead easy. So basically what you do is you go to the, it says here, apply right hand rear caliper. Hit that. So hit that, and then all you do is just start. There we go, that's the right hand side one. Okay, that's done. Then we'll stop and then go back. I mean, different software works differently. This one will obviously, you have to go back on the snap-on one or any other one, mate. You might have a big button saying reset or release handbrake. That's it. So this one you have to do it individually. So now we've done the right hand side one. We're going to go to the left hand side one, which is here. It says maintenance mode, apply motor. So hit that and then start. I can hear it in the background working. That's done as well now. So we'll press stop, and then we'll press back. Okay, so that's done. So what we do now is we brakes are pumped up as we've done that in the beginning. So brakes are pumped up, we've done that in the beginning. So foot brake on, handbrake on, release handbrake, press handbrake on, all good, happy days, job done. Well, that is it guys, that's how we replace the rear brake pads on a Hyundai I30 2018, dead easy job. If you've got the software makes your life that much easier. Anyway, I hope this video helps you guys out. If it didn't help you guys out, I'm sorry. Trying my best. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell button for me. Leave a comment in the comment section. Raul TV. Also guys, check me out on TikTok. Every day I try to do a live stream on TikTok when it comes to the end of the day kind of thing, right? I'll try my best, okay, to do a live stream on TikTok. Check me out on that. You know what? We have some good times, okay? We have some good. It's vibes. It's vibes. That's all I'm saying. Okay. You can give me a song request. I'll bang a song on for you guys while I'm working and everything. You guys can recommend if I've done something wrong. Point it out to me. Say, hey, what's man doing here? Do it this way. Point it out as well. Anyway, hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you on the next one. See you guys.